There is a fuzzy patch of light you can see with the naked eye tonight. It is 1 trillion stars wide, 2.5 million light-years away, and moving toward us at 250,000 miles per hour. 2.5 million light-years away, Andromeda hides secrets that could rewrite everything we know about our cosmic future. On a perfectly dark night, far away from city lights, there's a faint blurry patch hanging near the constellation Pegasus. Most people would probably ignore it. Maybe it's a cloud. But that tiny smudge? It's actually the Andromeda Galaxy, also called M31. But here's where things become almost unreal. It's hard to even understand how massive this thing really is. Andromeda is the closest major galaxy to our own Milky Way, sitting around 2.5 million light-years away from Earth. That means the light entering your eyes tonight actually began its journey before humans even existed. And here's the crazy part. This entire galaxy is moving toward us at incredible speed. Right now, Andromeda is basically our future cosmic collision partner, quietly approaching through the darkness. Long before telescopes existed, people were already staring at Andromeda with pure curiosity. Ancient Persian astronomers called it the small cloud because that's exactly what it looked like, glowing softly in the night sky. And somehow, even without modern science, they knew this object was special. But different cultures saw different meanings in it. Indigenous communities in the Pacific Northwest imagined it as a sacred salmon drying rack hanging in the heavens. Meanwhile, Greek mythology connected it to Princess Andromeda chained among the stars, thousands of years apart. Yet humans everywhere kept looking up at the same mysterious glow. That alone is kind of beautiful. And then, in 1764, French astronomer Charles Messier officially catalogued Andromeda as M31. But here's the twist. He had absolutely no idea what he was actually looking at. Back then, scientists believed these fuzzy objects were just nebulae floating inside our Milky Way galaxy. Nobody understood galaxies yet. In fact, the entire universe seemed much smaller than we know today. So, Andromeda was basically treated like a cloudy patch of gas nearby, a misunderstanding that lasted for decades. But here's where things become almost unreal. The truth was far bigger than anyone imagined. Everything changed in the 1920s. Using the giant 100-inch Hooker telescope at Mount Wilson Observatory, astronomer Edwin Hubble spotted something unusual inside Andromeda: Cepheid variable stars, tiny blinking stars that acted almost like cosmic measuring tools. And once he calculated their distance, astronomy changed forever. Andromeda wasn't inside the Milky Way at all. It was unbelievably farther away, an entirely separate galaxy floating millions of light-years from us. Suddenly, the universe became infinitely larger overnight. Galaxies weren't rare anymore, they were everywhere. And that single discovery helped open the door to modern cosmology, expanding universe theories, and eventually, the Big Bang itself. But here's where things become almost unreal. In 2025, NASA released the most detailed image ever created of Andromeda, a gigantic 2.5 billion pixel mosaic stitched together using more than 1,000 Hubble telescope orbits and over 600 overlapping images collected across an entire decade. Imagine the patience required for that. And this image wasn't just pretty. It revealed more than 200 million individual stars across the galaxy using ultraviolet, visible, and infrared light. Surveys called FAT and FAST helped map enormous sections of Andromeda in unbelievable detail. If Andromeda were fully visible in our sky, it would actually appear 6 times wider than the full moon, which honestly sounds impossible, until you see the scale yourself. And this is where Andromeda starts feeling alive. The galaxy itself is a giant barred spiral, shaped almost like a massive glowing pinwheel drifting through space. At the center sits a dense, bright bulge, packed with ancient stars burning for billions of years. Then stretching outward are 2 enormous spiral arms curling through darkness like cosmic rivers. Inside those arms are huge clouds of hydrogen gas where entirely new stars are constantly forming. Blue star clusters light up the galaxy while dark dust lanes twist between them like shadows. And because Andromeda tilts about 77 degrees from our perspective, we see it almost edge on. Kind of like looking at a spinning frisbee from the side, except this frisbee contains roughly 1 trillion stars. But the most fascinating part might be the chaos happening inside those spiral arms. Andromeda is constantly creating new stars at an incredible rate. Some estimates suggest nearly 100 stars are born there every single year. Massive blue star clusters blaze across giant glowing nebulae while gravity crushes clouds of gas into newborn suns. And strangely, nearby satellite galaxies like M32 and M110 may actually be triggering some of this activity. Their gravity disturbs Andromeda's structure slightly, almost like stirring waves inside a giant cosmic ocean. And from that chaos, new stars emerge. One region stands out more than almost anywhere else, NGC 206, a gigantic star cloud packed with massive O-type and B-type stars burning with violent ultraviolet energy. These stars shine so intensely that they carve through nearby gas and dust like cosmic floodlights. But hidden between that light are enormous dark dust lanes revealed by infrared telescopes like Spitzer. Inside those cold clouds, protostars are slowly forming, future suns waiting silently in the darkness before finally igniting into life. But Andromeda doesn't end where the bright stars disappear. Surrounding the galaxy is a gigantic invisible halo of dark matter stretching far beyond its glowing spiral arms. Inside this ghostly region float more than 500 globular clusters, ancient star cities packed tightly together like cosmic fossils from the early universe. And here's the strange part. Astronomers found younger blue stars hiding there too, which suggests Andromeda may still be consuming smaller galaxies even now, quietly tearing them apart in the darkness. And then, NASA's Chandra X-ray Observatory revealed something our eyes could never see. Using powerful multi-wavelength images, astronomers uncovered violent, high-energy activity scattered across Andromeda. Invisible black holes, neutron stars, and X-ray binaries suddenly appeared glowing through the darkness. Some neutron stars were literally stealing gas from nearby companion stars, heating that material into blazing disks of radiation. In normal light, none of this chaos is visible, but in X-rays, Andromeda almost looks alive. At the very center of Andromeda sits a supermassive black hole quietly controlling the galaxy around it. But quietly might not be the right word. In 2013, astronomers detected a sudden X-ray flare erupting from the core. For a moment, the black hole became dramatically brighter, almost like it woke up. Scientists believe material spiraling through its accretion disk triggered the burst, and studying these feeding cycles helps researchers understand how galaxies themselves evolve over billions of years. But some of Andromeda's most important moments begin with destruction. Massive stars explode in violent supernova blasts, creating gigantic superbubbles that tear through the galaxy. These explosions scatter heavy elements like iron and gold across space, the same elements found inside planets and even inside us. In a strange way, galaxies recycle themselves constantly. Old stars die, their remains spread outward, and eventually, new stars and worlds form from the ashes. This galaxy makes the Milky Way look smaller than most people realize. Andromeda stretches roughly 220,000 light-years across and may contain nearly 1 trillion stars. That's far larger than our own galaxy. Inside the local group, Andromeda dominates through sheer gravitational power, controlling dozens of smaller satellite galaxies around it. Some scientists even think many of those galaxies were once separate systems before Andromeda slowly pulled them in over cosmic time. Now here's the part that feels almost impossible to believe. Right now, Andromeda is closing on us at around 110 kilometers per second, roughly 250,000 miles per hour, fast enough to cross the entire diameter of Earth in under 2 minutes. It has been doing this for billions of years. According to NASA simulations, the two galaxies meet in about 4.5 billion years. But this won't look like an explosion. The two galaxies will pass through each other twice, gravity stretching them into long, curling tails of stars across millions of light years before finally settling into one shape. From first contact to the last orbit, the whole event takes close to 1 billion years. As gravity takes over, both galaxies will stretch into enormous tidal tails twisting across millions of light years. Giant waves of star formation could ignite everywhere as gas clouds slam together. Eventually, the Milky Way and Andromeda may merge into one enormous galaxy scientists nicknamed Milkomeda. And strangely, stars themselves probably won't crash into each other at all. Space inside galaxies is just too empty. But imagine standing on a future Earth and seeing Andromeda fill half the night sky. For generations, it would grow larger and brighter above humanity like a second cosmic ocean. But here's the twist nobody expected. Recent Hubble research from 2025 suggests this collision may not be guaranteed after all. Some simulations now place the odds closer to 50-50 within the next 10 billion years. Dark matter changes everything. Even the nearby galaxy M33 could slightly alter the outcome, which means humanity is still trying to predict a cosmic event billions of years away, with incomplete clues. And honestly, we're only getting started. The James Webb Space Telescope is already helping scientists peer deeper into Andromeda's ancient star clusters using infrared vision. Meanwhile, NASA's upcoming Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope could map dark matter in incredible detail while searching for hidden rogue planets drifting through intergalactic space. And by studying Andromeda, astronomers are slowly uncovering secrets about our own Milky Way too. Even after decades of observation, Andromeda still hides enormous mysteries. Its strange rotation curve suggests huge amounts of invisible dark matter shaping the galaxy from behind the scenes. Astronomers continue discovering faint satellite galaxies around it, almost like forgotten cosmic ruins. Some wonder if rogue planets drift endlessly through its halo. Others ask an even bigger question. Among Andromeda's trillion stars, could intelligent civilizations already be staring back at us right now? And maybe that's why Andromeda feels so important. It isn't just another galaxy in the distance. It's almost like a mirror of our own cosmic story. Every time humans look up and find that faint glow with the naked eye, we're connecting to something unimaginably ancient and enormous, a reminder that across the universe, none of us are truly isolated. And here is what's strange. The light leaving Andromeda tonight, the light that will reach human eyes 2.5 million years from now, is already in motion. We don't know yet whether Andromeda will hit the Milky Way, miss it, or be slowed by a galaxy we haven't found. We don't know whether anyone will be here to see it. What we know is that it's coming, and the answer was written into physics long before there was anyone here to ask the question.